guys tuned in on the last video, you saw we did wheels and tires on this thing. Looks so good. Now we're gonna fix the exhaust because it is super quiet. Not bad, but don't you feel like that was more engine noise than exhaust?
Oh yeah.
I mean, there's no exhaust note at all. But as far as I know, this is basically the same exhaust as any other 6.2 other than the rear, how it exits. It sits up higher in there. It is incredibly quiet. It's like dead silent. You can really hardly hear it at all. We're gonna fix that. This isn't the Borla system, which I think does sound good, but it's like $2,000, which is far too much money. So we're gonna try a muffler delete. Pretty simple. Not sure if it'll fit because it's not made for the ZR2, but we're gonna find out. This is all it is. It got a little wet from the rain. By a little wet, I mean very wet. Holy crap. All right, there's the pipe. 2 clamps, instructions. Should be pretty easy, but again, not sure if it's gonna fit. So I'm gonna crawl under the truck, take a look around. I think it's gonna work. Okay, I think I got it. So I'm supposed to mark it basically at the inlet and then at the outlet of the muffler, 5 inches to the rear. So if you guys see here, this muffler is absolutely ginormous. Entirely way too big, in my opinion. And then the exhaust goes back or splits off, and there's some resonators to the rear as well. So I'm gonna get to marking this spot here. A couple sawzall cuts and we should be good to go. Unfortunately, this muffler's hot, which is not great. Okay. There's my mark. Now it's just time to cut. It's going to be metal everywhere, so safety first, boys. I don't know what the heck that thing is. Cool. That was easy enough. Now hopefully this pipe fits, because if it doesn't, I'm kind of screwed. Wow, this muffler's hot. Okay, that should go under. I think this is gonna work, boys. Let's get some clamps on these Jonesies and a hammer. I got the one side on. I just need to gain a little bit of room to get the other side on, so I think I'm gonna have to maybe pull this hanger. Oh yeah, there we go. That's it, boys. That was super simple, and this thing fits perfect. One question though. Does anyone know what the heck this is? It's almost like it's an active exhaust valve because I feel something inside there, but this isn't connected to anything. It's quite odd. I guess I should have looked in there before I put this pipe on, but I feel like I should delete this, whatever it is. It seems kind of dumb. I don't know. Anyway, there she is, boys. Super simple, nice and easy. Perfect fit. Let's see how it sounds. I'm pretty freaking excited. Here we go. I'm freaking pumped. I think this is gonna sound so much better. Oh yeah, dude. You can actually hear it, and it's not crazy loud. Or what it's like when you rev it. me rev it any higher, but my dudes, that's all you need. You don't need some expensive exhaust. This thing's got enough mufflers in it and catalytic converters and resonators that it's the main muffler delete is all you need. We gotta go for a drive though. Oh boys, it sounds good. You can definitely hear it. All right, here's from the start. Oh dude, that sounds great. I don't think it's too loud. Yeah, it sounds really, really good. We'll get to some full throttle here. Ooh, downshifts are nice. That sounds like perfect. Not too loud, but you can actually hear it. A couple pops on decel maybe. That GoPro footage is gonna be nice. It sounds like an aftermarket exhaust. Not one that's crazy loud or anything, it just sounds really, really good. I can't wait to hear it from the outside. First, I guess I should get some gas because my range is non-existent. Before I keep revving this thing up so I can hear it, let me fill up a little bit. How much will this cost to fill up? Gotta be over 100. $108. Yikes. Might cost a lot of money and get really terrible fuel mileage, but at least it sounds and looks good. I wish I had someone else to drive my truck right now. Unfortunately, it's just me. So I'm looking forward to looking at this video footage. Confirming for you guys, this is not too loud. It seems like just right. I guess you could catch a hint of drone every once in a while, but there's also times where it sounds really, really nice and quiet. But when you get on it, you can hear it. Super happy with this. This is definitely worth like the 55 bucks that I spent on this pipe. Now, of course, you could take this to a muffler shop and you could have them do it, maybe even cheaper. But this is a job that anyone can do. Literally a Sawzall, a socket and wrench, and you're freaking done. It is super simple and easy and a perfect fit. So confirming that this does in fact work on the ZR2, even though it's not designed for it. And I'm gonna link this muffler delete pipe down below, so you guys can grab one for your own ZR2s or your Trail Bosses, your LTZs, whatever. Will not be needing this anymore. Crap, that thing's heavy too. Weight savings. Fortunately and unfortunately, this was a rather quick video. That exhaust was super simple to install, and I don't have a lot more to add. So I hope you guys enjoyed it. I think it sounds great. Let me know your thoughts. If you think it sounds good, too loud, not loud enough, etc. I'll be sure to get more exhaust clips in the future. I'm also going to take this opportunity for you guys, so comment any questions you guys have about this truck, whether it be about certain equipment,
or certain tech or certain pictures, videos, images, whatever you'd like to see of the truck that perhaps you haven't in other videos or pictures, etc. Because I didn't go over every single thing with this truck, and I know sometimes I missed some things and you guys might want more info on something. So comment below any of those questions and I'll go over them in the next video. If you'd like to see the video of me bringing it home and seeing my girlfriend's reaction, click here. If you want to see the video of me installing these beautiful fuel wheels and 35-inch tires, click here. Other than that, that's all I got for you guys. Thanks for watching. We'll see you in the next one.